In this short video, we're going to talk about what makes a good offer. Now, an offer is something that you give away to your audience at the end of their survey taking experience as a thank you for taking your survey. So there's an orange button that pops up that they can click on, and then it sends them somewhere. So what makes a good offer? Well, you want to think of it as a digital product that has high value and no cost to you. Here are some great examples of things you might want to give away as an offer. A PDF. Do you have an ebook or a few chapters in your ebook? Do you have a summary, like 7 steps on how to do something that you spoke about? You can turn it into a PDF, or you can turn your slides into a PDF and then link to that, upload that to Talkadot. You can give a video away. Do you have a video somewhere that has high value or maybe goes into more detail of something that you spoke about? Or an audio program, MP3. Or maybe you have a spreadsheet that has a bunch of formulas and technical things in there that makes people's lives easier. Some simple best practices is that you want to either create maybe a summary of what you talked about. You want to create next steps. Now that they've heard you speak, what do you want them to do now? Turn that into something that you give away. Or you clarify something. Maybe there was a complex idea that needed a lot more teasing out, or people, are not going to remember it in one shot, so they need a little bit more help. You can give that away. So your offer is simply a PDF, video, audio. You can link to a URL somewhere that provides value to your audience. So remember, if you want to talk a lot, get yourself some Talkadot.